Hey friends, my name is Sahil and this is my Personal Finance Academy. I recently came across a news from Niti Aayog that says at least 40 crore individuals don't have any financial protection for health in India. That's a 30% of our population. Now that's a serious problem. While I knew that health insurance in India is still highly underpenetrated, I was not aware that almost 40 crore people lack health insurance. In fact, even I conducted a poll on how many of you and your family are covered with health insurance, and I received around 20,000 votes, and only 50% people have their entire family covered with health insurance. Remaining 50% haven't covered their family with health insurance. In fact, out of 50%, only 8% have taken a medical plan for themselves, and the remaining 42% do not have a health plan. To be honest, health insurance was the first thing I got for myself when I started earning. I was really surprised to know that crores of people in India do not own health insurance. So I tried to understand the reason why people haven't taken health insurance, and there were two major factors. One of the factors is that majority of people still don't understand the importance of health insurance. And second factor was that people don't know how to choose the right health insurance. Due to that, every year, millions of people in India end up breaking their investments like your FD, saving account, or even end up selling their assets like your jewelry and land. Some people even end up borrowing money from friends and relatives. Now after COVID, many people ended up with multiple health issues, and lack of health insurance resulted in a big financial blow. Now there is increased awareness towards the importance of health insurance, at least in the metros and urban cities. However, people still don't know how to choose the right health insurance. And then there is third problem. Historically, the health insurance has been a very document intensive and cumbersome process. You need to reach out to an agent and fill multiple forms, and the entire process of issuing health insurance would take a lot of time. Then there were a lot of other problems, like if you had taken the insurance, then first you would need to pay the money at the hospital and then apply for the refund with the health insurance companies. This entire refund process would take its own sweet time. Even the health insurance products were not that great. In the majority of cases, in spite of having health insurance, people would end up paying a fixed percent out of their own pocket. Or there would be a limit on the money that you can spend on a hospital room. For example, you can only have a hospital room below rupees 2000. Also, a majority of people would end up taking wrong insurance, and later they would face problems like your claim rejection or room rent cap or long waiting period for the policy to activate, and so on. Now that's a sad reality of health insurance sector in India. However, thanks to technology, today taking health insurance is extremely convenient. You don't need to reach out to an agent. You don't need to fill out any physical form. Or you don't need to wait for days and months to get your health insurance. And all important details are clarified upfront so that you can select the right health insurance policy as per your requirement. So just like technology has transformed the way people invest in your stocks and mutual funds with few clicks, technology has really transformed the health insurance sector in India. For example, recently Navi Health Insurance has launched health insurance products that are very unique from the traditional health insurance products. Navi Health Insurance was co-founded by none other than ex-Flipkart founder Mr. Sachin Bansal along with Mr. Ankit Agarwal, who is an IIT Delhi and IIM Ahmedabad alumni. So if you are concerned about the brand name, then you don't have to worry about it. This company is led by experienced people with right knowledge and expertise. Now I am sure you are smart enough to understand your need and choose the right health insurance, but I really found Navi Health Insurance plan very innovative. For example, traditionally you need to pay the entire health insurance plan on a yearly basis. However, if you choose Navi Health Insurance, then you can pay on a monthly basis. Their monthly insurance premium starts from as low as rupees 241. Now one-time yearly payment turns out to be a costly affair for a middle class person. I have come across people who are willing to take health insurance, but they have a limited budget. So affordability was a big problem with health insurance. But monthly payment has made the health insurance very affordable. Another very interesting feature of Navi Health Insurance is the entire process of health insurance application is online and you can get health insurance within 2 minutes. Yes, you don't need to wait for days and months to get your health insurance done. You can get health insurance within 2 minutes. On top of this, the entire claim process is cashless that gets approved within 20 minutes. So you don't need to wait for days and months to get your claim approved. It would get approved within 20 minutes. I think this entire process of getting a health insurance within 2 minutes and getting your cashless claim approved within 20 minutes is just amazing. By the way, Navi has a huge network of 10,000 plus hospitals in 400 plus locations where you can get the cashless facility. So basically, you don't need to pay any money upfront. It's all managed by your health insurance. By the way, if you have taken a treatment in any of the non-network hospital in India, then also you can get reimbursed for treatment with claim settlement in 4 hours subject to complete documentation. Apart from this, some of the other features of Navi Health Insurance include no room rent capping. So you can choose any room in the hospital without worrying about the room price. Then there is no co-payment. So basically, you don't need to pay any additional health insurance cost. 100% of your medical bill is covered as per your sum assured. So let's say you have taken health insurance with a sum assured of 5 lakh rupee. Then you don't need to pay anything up to rupees 5 lakh. The next feature is automatic restoration of the sum insured. So if you have taken a sum insured of let's say 5 lakh and if that entire amount get exhausted, then you can restore the sum insured. Next feature is free and unlimited online consultation with doctors. So you can reach out to doctors and get consultation online. In case you have any accidental injury, then you will get benefit of 2 times the sum insured. It means if you have a sum insured of rupees 5 lakh, then you can get up to rupees 10 lakh of hospitalization cost. So clearly all these benefits are unique. Navi Health Insurance is really transforming the overall health insurance sector in India. Now you might have a very important question regarding the claim settlement ratio. It means out of 100 people that apply for the claim settlement, how many claims are settled by the health insurance company? Navi has a claim settlement ratio of 97%, which is one of the best in the industry. So in this video, we discussed the current state of health insurance in India and its importance. A few years ago, getting health insurance was a very tedious process. However, with the technology, health insurance has become hassle-free and cheap. Now you can get your health insurance with just a few clicks. Navi Health Insurance has been among the leading new age fintech companies that has come up with a very unique health insurance proposition with features like your monthly premium payment, complete online and paperless process where you can get the health insurance with few clicks within 2 minutes, along with multiple other benefits like your no room rent capping, no co-payment, automatic restoration of sum insured, free online consultation with doctor and so on. Now I don't want to stress upon why health insurance is important. COVID has already made us realize the importance of health insurance for the entire family during a medical emergency. Also the fact that the hospitalization cost is rising at a sharp rate. A few days of hospitalization can cost you lakhs. So health insurance is a must for every person. And due to technology, getting health insurance has become both hassle-free and cheap. You can also get access to all the required information without involving any agent. I remember a few years ago, people used to invest in mutual funds and stocks via agents and brokers. But today, people invest directly. It was only possible due to technology. Similarly, technology is disrupting the health insurance sector that is still underpenetrated in India. Now, if you haven't taken health insurance due to reasons like your budget issue or too much paperwork or lack of clarity towards selecting the health insurance, then you can explore Navi Health Insurance that is genuinely a very innovative health insurance product. If you have any queries, you can reach out to their team. I have provided the link of Navi app in the description box. I hope you will find this video informative. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care.